Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can pay NSSF online. So the first step is to create an Excel file. So you have to compose a Microsoft Excel file with all the required columns as per the NSSF file format template. So if you're using Wingo Box Online Payroll, this file is auto-generated for you in your NSSF report. So this is the new format. So notice the new format has no NSSF contribution amounts, but will instead work with employees' gross salaries. So this file also contains NSSF membership number, KRA PIN, and any voluntarily amount. So to make manual or offline returns, there is no need to go to step 2 or of this tutorial. Simply just select NSSF reports, which is the old format on your Wingo Box payroll application, and take to the nearest NSSF office or branch along with your payment. So step number 2 is to log into NSSF self-service. So browse to NSSF self-service login, also known as the SF24 management, and then enter the username and password. So if you do not have your login credentials, you can contact the NSSF for assistance. So if you click on this one, you will just go ahead and type in the username and the password, and go ahead and click on login at the bottom. Now for step number 3 is to create payroll period. Now once logged in, select the payroll converter on the left-hand menu, and on the payroll period section, click on the create payroll period and enter the payroll month, the payroll type, and the contribution type. So in here, you will just see it in here, so you can go ahead and view all these images right here. So it helps you with steps. Step number 4 is to pay the payroll submission. So after step 3, you will now have a new item on your list of payroll submissions. So locate the latest submission with status open period and click file upload link. So this will take you to an interface which will allow you to choose the Microsoft Excel file created in the step number 1 from your local machine and click upload to submit the NSSF file. So in here, you will just see it in here. So go ahead and do the same thing. Next step is to process payroll data. So once your file is successfully uploaded, click on the back button to return to the payroll submissions section. And then you will notice your submission has now been updated with a process payroll data link. So click on the link to initiate payroll data processing by NSSF server. So it will use employees' gross salaries to determine NSSF contributions due to by both employee and employer. So it will then produce a file dubbed as for SF24. So your latest submissions should be updated with a new set of links. So click on the link that reads Show Produced Errors to determine if there are any errors that NSSF has detected. Now, if you have errors, return to your Excel sheet and correct this accordingly. So you can delete the payroll period and create a new one. So if you have no errors, then proceed to upload produced SF24. Next up is to the SF24 submission. So on the left-hand side menu, click SF24 Actions. Your latest SF24 submission should be the first on the list of submissions with the status submission check. So select the action, check submission, and once submission is complete, click on the new link that appears Submission Check Progress Updates. So this will help you get notified when submission of your SF24 is finalized. Next is the payment order. So you're now ready to make your payment order. So select payment order on the left-hand menu, enter a payment description, like for example, October 2017, enter a payment mode of your choice, enter the bank which you will be using to make payment. So this is not your organization's bank, but rather the NSSF bank accounts to which you will pay the monies due. So there is a choice of either National Bank or Kenya Commercial Bank. Next is to drag any unpaid SF24s from unpaid section to selected SF24 for payment section. So a final total of amounts due will display at the bottom of the forms. So click the save icon located on the horizontal bar at the top of the forms, which is NSSF server will produce a unique payment number, or the UPN, which will be used as your payment reference. Now for our last step is to print and pay. So select payment orders on the left hand menu. Click on the search icon located on the horizontal bar at the top of the forms. So search for the payment order you just made using the date range calendars. So once you locate the payment order, select it and proceed to click print icon located on the horizontal bar at the top of the forms. So print out the resulting output of onward payment with respect to the payment mode you selected in step 7. So once NSSF has received your payments, you can confirm this in the payment receipts link on the left hand menu. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can pay NSSF online. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.